Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, I brought some couple of my guns to the range today, and we're gonna be doing some shooting. So I got the 7.62 that I just put together. I got the conversion to the 300 blackout of my AR-15 and a couple of uppers that I want to test today, and a compensator that I want to test for my AK-47, and also I'm gonna be shooting some guns too, some of my pistols. So let's take a look at the pistols that I'm gonna be and rifles that I'm gonna be shooting today. So here you go, guys. Like I said, I just brought some today because you know how hard it's gonna be to clean all those guns if I bring all of them to the range today. All right, so here I have my conversion to the 300 blackout. That's the upper that I had before, the 5.56. Of course, this is the SDS Lynx 12, and there you go. That's my 7.62. That's the one that the reason I came to the range today to test that one. And I got my 300 blackout with the 5.56 upper, and of course the AK-47 that I want to test that compensator. See how good it is. Okay, so I got some ammunition over there. Let's move on to the pistols. So like I said, I didn't bring all the pistols today. I brought a couple. So I had the CC SP01. This one fell on the ground. Yeah, while I was taking my stuff. This is a Canic Subcompact. Also, I had the 10 millimeters that I changed the spring last time, and I put the factory one back in it. So I want to test it. And here you go. There's a brace that I put on my Glock. I haven't shoot. Of course, I had shot my Glock, but not with the brace. So today I want to test that one, and I want to test this one. I did some modifications on the springs. The SAR9, and I want to test it today. And I want to shoot my 357 SIG, the P229, and also I want to get the 308 rifle that I haven't shot yet. Okay, I have plenty of AK ammunition here too. So see what's going on today. All right, so stay tuned and let's see some shooting. My goal today is to see if the guns runs reliable and there's no malfunctions on the gun. All right, guys. I set up this the scope already. Let's see how perform with regular steel Wolf ammunition, 30 round mag. There you go, guys. Running flawless, like pretty good. It's gonna be a little bit faster. It's gonna be a 30 round, still cheap ammunition, Wolf Russian, full mag, we're gonna go faster this time. I'm not aiming, just dumping the magazine to see how reliable we'll be in a fast shooting situation. 300 blackout, um, brass ammunition. I'm gonna shoot a 30 round magazine. Not well. I'm gonna be aiming, but at the same time, I'm looking for normal functions. All right. So let's see how good it is. So this is a shorty, 5 inches barrel, 300 blackout. First time's 300 blackout barrel. This the whole open. Yeah, I mean, it shoots pretty good. Let me try the 30 round mag. AK-47, 30 round mag. No aiming, just looking for the side already. So I'm looking for the test. I mean, that the gun is good, and the compensator. Man, this is a beast. It's a beast. Man, that compensator works really good, but you can feel all the back pressure to the sides like crazy, man. But hey, it helps out with the compensate the recoil a lot. So if you guys are looking for a good compensator from SLR, bam, man, that thing is really good for this type of caliber. Actually, I mean, the AR didn't feel that bad. It feels pretty good too. I'm surprised with the AR. The AR feels pretty good, and this one have a little bit more kick. But the compensator, man, that compensator was pretty good. 30 round, everything went good. Cheap steel ammunition, how I want it. You know, don't want to spend that much money. Pretty good, man. 357 SIG. I got that P229. So I had some malfunctions in the past. One round didn't hit the primer right, so I had to shoot again. Went off. Now I changed the firing pin. I just want to make sure that the gun is running good. No problems at all. Full mag. I guess what's the firing pin? P229 again, 357. Second mag. I believe this one holds 12 rounds of 357 SIG. I'm running the second mag, so dumping the second mag to make sure the gun doesn't have malfunction. Alright? Yes. I guess was there was the firing pin that was messed up, so now it's running good. So back to the safe. If you guys haven't seen my videos about the plus five extension, there's some of the vendors that there's some new stuff out there in the market now, but I made this when it was nothing, just a plus two for this gun. So I still have mine. I want to show you guys that it's working good. There's no malfunctions. SAR 9. Also, I changed some springs to reduce trigger pull on the on the gun, and I want to make sure that with those changes, the gun's still reliable. So I'm gonna do a 18, well 17 plus 5, a 22 mag dump flash fire. All right. Man, this gun is on another level. Good. Maybe a little dust accumulated from being in the safe. All right, so this one is a 9mm 6-hour 124 grain on the saw 9. I'm gonna shoot fast to make sure this is not gonna fail me in a situation. Here I have my Rock Island 10mm double stack. This one is one of my latest guns. So I put like I believe a 14 pound recoil spring on this one. I was not ejecting that far, so I changed it and put back the original spring that came with the gun. So today I want to test it since I never shot it with that spring. Okay, so I have, dang, I own you the grains that I'm shooting right now, but 10mm. All right. Pretty good. Rock Island, 10mm, shooting pretty good. All right, let's do more testing. Let me take a break and drink some water. Nice. Another 16 rounds from my Rock Island 10mm. All right, man. I'm telling you, this gun is heavy, and it's heavy. It's all metal, but that helps a lot with the recoil. It's a really nice shooting. It's not what you expect from a 10mm. I guess that one didn't went off. Well, minus that one. I don't know if I didn't press the trigger so hard. I don't know. Might be operator error, but This feels pretty good. So I'm gonna do one more mag. I'm gonna set up my sight and then put it back in the truck. TP9 Elite SC Subcompact from Canic. If you guys see my videos, I got this plus 9 extension from Taylor Freelance. I had this one also in my Canic SFX. Now, I don't know if it's made for the subcompact, but I tried it because I purchased two for the SFX, and I tried it on my 12 round for the Canix SC, and it fits pretty good. So today we're gonna test that magazine, make sure that it doesn't look good only, and it's reliable. So 12 plus 9, 21 rounds, fast fire. It's clear, magazine is empty. I have tried plenty of extensions from another vendors. Obviously, I'm not getting paid by Taylor Freelance. I just putting out there some good shit. And these magazine extensions are really tested before they put it out in the market, I guess, because it's working flawless on the SC. Now, of course, you're not gonna, you know, have a subcompact with a plus 9 extension on your waist. This will be in an spare magazine, or if this is your home defense, hey, you got 21 rounds, and then if you're going to carry your gun, then get the 12 and put it in there, and the other one in the pocket on a magazine holster. All right, guys. So I love this small guns. It shoots pretty good. Short reset. You can ask for better, man. This thing is beautiful and is very reliable. What we have here is the Recovery Tactical 2020. I'm not gonna dump the 31 round magazine because it was falling off from the gun, so I guess it's defective. That's a good thing that I bring it to the range and I didn't count with that magazine, right? But this one is the original mag from the Glock. It's a 17 plus 5 is 22 rounds. So let's see. It's clear. All right, guys. It feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking it's a piece of S, but I mean, it's good. It's good. Definitely, I'm gonna take it to the indoor range with the laser to see how perform with the laser, and then give it a shot for home defense. All right, now I gotta find another mag. I probably get a drum or something, or another one just like this one, so they both look the same. But for now, 31 round mag is not working for me. So I guess I'm gonna get another one. I'm giving another shot from Glock, like the factory 31 round mag. But I don't know. That was bad. So let's go to the next one, and it's gonna be the shotgun. All right, the SDS Lynx. SDS Lynx, 12 gauge. All right, guys, 10 more rounds. This thing is running like the show, man. Ten more. Ten more. 10 more. Some more. All right, guys, that's it. I don't know how many, probably 50, 60 rounds put through. Not one single failure. Not one single failure with the SES links.